Top 10 Winery in Louisville. 1. Rising Sun's Home Farm Winery. 5. 253 reviews, Frankfort Road. 2. Forest Edge Winery. 4.9 765 reviews, Clermont Road. 3. Taste Fine Wines and Bourbons. 4.9 359 reviews, E Market Street. 4. Turtle Run Winery. 4.9 249 reviews, St. Peter's Church RDNE. 5. Vines Wine Bar and Spirits Shop. 4.9 106 reviews, Douglas Boulevard. 6. Talon Winery Shelbyville. 4.8 494 reviews, Gordon LN. 7. Off the Rails Tasting Room and Wine Depot. 4.8 191 reviews, Bruce Avenue. 8. The Wine Rack. 4.8 171 reviews, Frankfort Avenue. 9. Rabbit Hole Distillery. 4.7 589 reviews, E Jefferson Street. 10. Farmer and Frenchman Winery and Cafe. 4.7 398 reviews, US 41.